What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're gonna open up and review, in my opinion, the best new Hot Wheels set. It is the Quarter Mile Finals set. There is a total of 5 cars in this set, and here on the back of one of the cards, we have all 5 cars included. We're gonna open every single one of them up and get a close-up look at them. And to start it off, we have car number 1 of 5 from this set. It is the McLaren Senna. McLaren Senna, one of my favorite new McLaren cars. Absolutely love this one. Check out the artwork on this one right here. Looks very, very good. And let's go ahead and pop it open and get a nice look at this one here. And there we go. Look at that. Look at that color. Bright, bright color. Absolutely love this one. We've got the blacked out wheels on here. There's that little see-through window that you can see right on there. Very, very cool. And if we look on the front, you can see this is the updated casting, so it does have the updated in-grooved lighting right there. So the original release of this one didn't have any grooves or anything on the inside of the lighting, so it didn't look as good. But it would have been nice to still see if they had painted the inside like they did on the Hot Wheels ID variation. But still, nonetheless, it's an absolutely fantastic looking casting. Love it in this new color, and we're gonna definitely be adding this to my McLaren collection. Can't wait to put it in there as well. And car number 2 of 5, it's the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. There we have car number 2. And there is the artwork on there doing a big burnout. That's what the Demon is definitely famous for. Let's go ahead and open it up. And we've got this one in this really cool looking new grayish color. We're seeing this color on a lot of newer cars, and I'm really liking it. We got the SRT written just right there on the front. And for our aggressive grille, it's no painting or anything like that, unfortunately, but still looks really good. Then we look on the side right there, and we do have that little itty bitty Demon logo just right there on the side fender, which is really cool. We got blacked out wheels. We got the black that goes down the side, and we got the Dodge logo just on the back right there. And does this have the thin wheels and tires? Nope, it does not. So some of the Demon castings will have really tiny, thin tire wheel combination on the front. This one just has the standard tire wheel combination. Does have that wide body look on there, which looks fantastic. No tampos or stamping or anything like that on the rear. We do have that little lip spoiler though, but still, nonetheless, I think this color looks really good on this Demon. Porsche 918 Spyder, car number 3 of 5. This one's got green all over it. You can see this one also doing that big burnout right there. And just check that one out. Great looking color. One of my friends is a big fan of green and loves the 918 Spyder, so this is for him. Rival Racer, my buddy. Shout out to him. Here we go. Look at this one right here on the front end. Wow, look at that. Look at that lighting and stuff like that. I like how that stripe kind of goes right through and continues. That looks really good. If we go to the side, we can see the nice striping that continues on the side. Blacked out wheels on this one as well. If we look on the back of this one, actually quite disappointing. Quite disappointing of a casting. You can see, I don't know, just the way that they've just made this look very plain and not very detailed in the back. That's where the exhaust comes out and the way the spoiler meshes in. I feel like they kind of skipped over this one. They didn't do it as well as the previous release ones. Even the back, it just looks kind of like a little bit blah. There's no stamping or anything like that. But the color itself is really cool. The front headlights look really good. So they spent a good amount of detail on the front. The back, they kind of skipped out on, but nonetheless, overall, the 918 Spyder is a great looking car. Car number 4 of 5, the Lamborghini Aventador Miura Homage Edition. There is your car number 4 of 5. Of course, it's doing a burnout as well. All-wheel drive, though. Kind of interesting. We don't have the all-wheel drive burnout. That would have been cool. Same with actually the 918 as well. And we look on this one right here, and it seems like we've seen this one before. It looks very familiar. The color-wise and all that looks very familiar. Let's go ahead and open it up and get a nice look at it and see here. And we can see this one. So I thought it was more of a red, but it's more of like an orangey color. It's definitely more orangey than it is the red. We've got the Miura Homage Edition Aventador, so it's got the gold wheels. We've got the Miura Edition right here, and I believe they made 50 of these in real life, the Miura Homage Edition Lamborghini Aventadors, but still. The Aventador, such a great casting. I absolutely love it. I've got so many different colors of the Lamborghini Aventador. This is definitely going into the collection. And funny enough, we look right behind here. Here's the red Miura homage Lamborghini Aventador. They also did come out with a blue one of it, but there we go. We can definitely see the color difference there. That's very different. So we got the orange, and now we've got the red before and the orange right now, but the same wheels, same painting and all that stuff for these ones right here. We'll go ahead and put the red one back on there, but I really like this orange. Orange looks great in the Aventador. Any Lamborghini in orange looks fantastic. All right, here it is, highlight car, the Bugatti Veyron 16.4, the return of the Veyron to the Hot Wheels lineup. We haven't seen the Bugatti Veyron for quite a long time in the Hot Wheels lineup. We've got car number 5 of 5, of course. There it is, doing the burnout. It's an all-wheel drive. Again, not doing an all-wheel drive burnout, but hey, we'll give them credit for the picture on there. It looks really good. Let's go ahead and pop open this one right here. And it looks like they have retooled this casting, redone the casting, so it should have a lot of good improvements on here. And if we look on the front, definitely a lot better, more detailed than the previous one. You can see we've got the plastic inlay right there, nice details for the headlights on it right there. If we look down the side, it's a lot, it just looks a lot more proportionate now. I think from the side, it just definitely looks a lot better. I like the way that scoop comes right there and it's highlighted in the orange, the gold wheels, smaller ones on the front, bigger ones on the rear right there. And even from the top, if we look at the top and the back right here, all of this part right here looks a lot better than the original release of the Bugatti Veyron. We'll definitely do a side-by-side comparison of the other ones shortly in a future video, but for this one, I think it's an absolutely fantastic, definitely good looking casting. And you know what? I think they will bring this one out as a premium. We have a great looking casting. It looks like they could add a little bit more paint and stuff in the back right there. There's not much temp work in the back right there. The front looks really good though. I like the lighting in the front. That looks good. I like how that grille is now separate and in plastic. It actually looks definitely really good right there. But it's an all-around fantastic looking car. We love our Bugattis here, guys, on Peak Time Racing. You know how much I love all the exotics and the Bugattis, so definitely a cool one that we've added to the collection. And there we have it, guys, all 5 cars from this set. Let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favorite, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.